brewing slime ho! Oh, wow, I can smell it from up here. Yee, yee. Ratchet's not gonna make it out of here on foot. He'll have to commandeer the puma on the far side of the swamp. A close one. One false move and those alien suckers will be eating your head for lunch.
My mother used to serve Lomax brains for breakfast with eggs and salsa. Muy bueno.
Yikes! Remind me never to eat at your house. What I want to know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit. You give him any lip and he'll feed you a lead sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita.
A double swing shot. I cannot bear to look.
Let's get out of this swamp before it starts rusting up.